gross. So I'm gonna attempt to fix this gap all the way through. Let's see, apparently it's these. So yeah. Let's see if it works. Bumpers off. They're both just broken, so we're gonna switch them off. And that's broken. That's broken. Those are new. Let's switch them off. Yes. Man, look at that. I think we might fix that today. Give it a good smack in the middle, right there.
Oh, that looks way better. These brackets on this side are kind of lumpy, but holy shit.
Oh, and this is due to like the metal inside just missing. This whole chunk right here up to here is just missing. There's nothing there to connect the bumper. That's why it's saggy.
Dude, that looks way better. Then I also fixed this thing.
See? Fixed that too,
but I didn't. Kept cutting myself, so.
Yeah. Through the old pieces of junk. Still need to get one of the brackets for the headlight holder thingies, whatever. Not sure how to call them, but yep. That's cool. Well, we're back once again. I found another thing that pissing me off. Look how fucking. And then look at the dash. This shit all makes fucking noise, and then this wasn't connected, but this all. See, this is not connected, so. Kind of pisses me off when I drive it because it all rattles to shit. So yeah, I'm gonna get some bolts from there. I have a bunch of bolts. And we're going to make this all tight again. Yep. Well, after who knows how many hours, check that out. Look at that. No rattles at all. And the little thing's actually where it's supposed to be too, so that's cool. I mean, it's all warped, but whatever. Got the steering wheel all nice and cleaned up. Even the shift knob, you can see the letters now. That's cool. So yeah, I got the that window heater things wired up. Yep. I still need to fix the turn signal, goddammit. And I still need a goddamn fender, but I ordered the thing to fix the bumper sag today, so that's cool. What else? The vents, I'm gonna buy those. Those are like $60 for both. Brand spanking new. So yeah, interior's back together. It's all nice and tight, no rattles. So, yep. Hell yeah, boys.